In this video, we will explore how to switch back to personal account on Instagram account. So let's start. Open your Instagram account. So here I open the Instagram account in my laptop. Then click on the profile. And here you can see the left hand side have some option. Just click on the more option. Then click on the settings option and just drag below in setting in for professional. Have a two option, professional account and business tools and control. Here just click on the business tools and control and click on the switch to personal account. You can see here the small dialog box to switch to personal account. So when you switch to personal account, you will lose the access to in-app insight or insights from all your content including your promotion. So you can see here the dashboard tab available here. When you switch back to personal account, this dashboard tab will remove. Okay, so you can't check the insights of your contents. Okay, so I just click on the switch back to personal. Wait for the few seconds. It's switch to personal account. It's done, and now you can see here the dashboard tab is not showing, so you can't check your content insights here. Okay, so that's it. So this is a way you can switch back to your personal accounts on Instagram account. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.